Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my channel Math the Best. I am Bilal Khan, your mathematics coach. So this is going to be our second lecture of this channel, right? Our second lecture, okay? That is how to simplify the power. In my previous video, I talked a lot about what really power is and what was its general form. And in this lecture, I am going to tell you that how to simplify the power, okay? If you haven't checked my previous video out, I'm just going to put this link in the description box below. You can search it out and we'll understand the basic concept of power. So how to simplify the power? I do have my book with me. Some typical examples are shown. I will show you, okay? You should be aware of this thing, a to the nth. What is a here in this case? A is called the base. N is called the exponent. Okay? A to the nth, or a to the power n. Here a is base and is exponent. A could be any number and n could be any number, positive or negative, right? So to simplify a to the nth, a is actually multiplied n times, okay? A into a into a into a, whatever n is, then a. So I could say that a is multiplied n times. Whatever n is, if n is 10, just multiply a 10 times. If n is 20, multiply a with itself 20 times. That's what really power is telling us. Let me just share with you some typical example. I do have my book with me, 2 to the 6th. 2 to the 6th power, our first example. In order to simplify it, just write down 2 6 times, okay? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this becomes 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, and to 2 16, and to 2 32, and to 2 64. So what does it mean? 2 to the 6th equals 64. You can just keep it in mind that 2 to the 6th power equals 64. Whenever there is a question and there appears 2 to the 6th, you should be aware of, just write down 64 quickly, right? You don't need to think about it or simplify it. Keep it in mind. 2 to the 6th equals 64. Great job. Look at here the second question. Negative 3 to the power 4. Negative 3 is multiplied 4 times, right? Negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3. So first we should multiply the symbols or the signs of each number. Negative into negative becomes positive. Positive into negative becomes negative. Negative into negative becomes positive. So positive 3 into 3, 9, 27, and 81. Positive 81. So if anyone asks you that negative 3 to the power 4 equals what? 81. What if anyone asks you positive 3 to the power 4? In this case, also 81, right? I will show you in our coming lecture that why positive and negative numbers to the power 4 becomes the same number. There's a reason behind it, okay? We'll show you in our coming lectures. So let me just erase it, okay? If you do have your sheet of paper, you can just note it. Look at here our third example, negative 3 to the power 3 equals negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3 equals negative into negative becomes positive, positive into negative becomes negative, okay? 3 into 3 becomes 9 and 27, negative 27. 3 to the power 3, negative 3 to the power 3 becomes negative 27. Let me just share with you another example. 5 over 2 whole to the power 4. 5 over 2 whole to the 4th. This 4 belongs to the 4, 2 else belongs to the 4. So you should write 5 4 times in the numerator. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 4 times 2 into in the denominator, okay? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 5 into 5 becomes 25. 25 into 5, 125. 125 becomes 625. Then 2 into 2, 4, 8, 16. 625 over 16 is the solution to the given problem, or the simplification of the given power. Let me just share with you our last example. Then we will close up our today's lecture. 10 to the power 5. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, right? So 10 into 10 becomes 100. 100 into 10 becomes 1,000. 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this was our today's lecture, that how to simplify power. Of course, so much easy, okay? I hope you got this lecture completely and you will not have any trouble in simplifying powers. So if this video is helpful, please guys, forget not to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon until you receive all of my new videos, and take care of yourself till next lecture. I will see you there. Bye bye.